शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमाम् आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीमभयदां जाड्यान्धकारापहां हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्. We have seen Archa Dhatu. Now next dhatu in Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi is Vrajagatau, Vrajadhatu. It is used in Gatyartha, Gatau. Yeah. Vrajagatau. Yeah. What is the Gana? Which Gana is this? Bhadi Gana. Yeah. So find Vrajadhatu in Dhatu Patha. When we get a Dhatu, first thing we have to do is locate it in Dhatu Patha. So in Dhatu Patha, what is Vrajagatau? Ja is Anunasika. And yeah, where is Vrajagatau? Which page you can find? Go to the index. In the index you will find. The index is according to alphabetical order. Therefore, you can find Vrajagatau in the index. Yara, Lava. 158. Yeah, number 158. Yeah. So, see, 158 Vrajagatau. Vaja and Vraja. Another dhatu is also given. Vaja and Vraja. Both are in the sense of Gatau. So we are interested in Vraja. Vaja we are not interested now. So all these are, see the 159. Kshijadayaha udatta udattetaha. Starting from Kshi. So, starting from that, all these are Kshija. Starting from 150, Kshija, all these up to 158, they are Udattaha Udattetaha. Therefore, Vrajagatau is also Udatta Udattet. So, even Udatta means this Udattet means this is Udatta. This is Udatta. And Udatta means this is Udatta. This of Vra, after Vakara and Repa is Udatta. So Udatta Udattet. Therefore, it is neither Anudattet nor Swaritet. Therefore, there is no Atmane Pada Nimitta. Therefore, it is Parasmai Padi. Yeah. Vrajagatau is a Parasmai Padi Dhatu. So, all other forms are simple. You can do your own. Vrajati, Vrajataha, Vrajanti, etc. Only for Lung Lakara we need a sutra. Vadavrajhalantasya achaha. Yeah. Number 723. Yeah. Anuvritti sichi वृद्धिः परस्मैपदेषु अंगस्य. Six one. Okay. So vadavraja halantasya angasya. Anga, which is halanta anga, or it has to be vraja dhatu, or it has to be vada dhatu, vraja dhatu, or halanta dhatu. That kind of an anga. Here anga will be dhatu naturally, because what follows is sich and parasmaipada. So vriddhihi achaha sthane, in the place of ach, in the place of the vowel of vada vraja or halanta anga, vriddhi adesha takes place. Vriddhihi adesho bhavati. Kada? Kasmin pare? Sichi pare. When sich follows, and the sich is in turn followed by a parasmaipada. Parasmaipadeshu pareshu. So see the book. Vadavrajahalantasyachaha येषामचो वृद्धिः सिचि परस्मैपदेषु. येषां नाम वदव्रजहलन्तानाम् अंगानाम् अचः स्थाने. अत्र अचः इति उक्तम्. If achaha is not told, then what would have happened? Iko guna vriddhi. Suppose just gunaha, just vriddhi was told, then we should have thought of iko guna vriddhi paribhasha. If guna or vriddhi is enjoined, yadi gunaha va vriddhirva vidhiyate, tada ikaha iti षष्ठ्यन्तं padam upatishthate. Sthani niyamakaha. Sthani niyamakam ikaha iti padam tatra upatishthate. But here the sthani is mentioned achaha. Therefore ikaha doesn't have a scope. Therefore iko guna vriddhi will not work here, since achaha is there. Achaha, rules out ikaha here. So yeah, see this is different from अतो हलादेर लघोः. Even ato halader laghoho is prapta here. Anyway, we will look into it. Yeah. So, vraja dhatu. We are considering lung lakara. Vraja plus lung. In the place of lung, tip, vraja plus ti, and in ti, ikara will go by itascha. So vraja plus takara. So now sich, chili lungi and chile hai sich. So vraja plus sich plus takara. Now sich being valadi ardhadhatuka. Ardhadhatukasya dvaladehe iti vraj plus is. And then this is aprakta. Therefore, eat agama. Eat agama will happen. What is the sutra? Asti sicho prakte. Is plus eat. Now this will come at agama. A vraj. Okay, that can be brought later also. Yeah. So now, see, there is idadi parasmai pada sich following. Therefore, by okay, we need not worry about that here anyway. Vadavraja halantasya achaha. There is sich following. And when sich follows, vadavraja halantasya achaha iti vriddhihi. The of vraj gets vriddhi adesha. Vadavraja halantasya achaha. Vadavraja halantasya achaha iti vriddhihi. So vraj plus is plus eat. Now at agama. A vraj is eat. Then ita iti and savarna dirgha. Sakara gets elided. So aurajit. This is the final answer. Avrajit. And the rest are simple. Everywhere vriddhi will happen in lung by vadavraja halantasya achaha. Avrajit, avrajashtam, avrajishuhu. Avrajihi, avrajashtam, avrajashta, avrajasham, avrajashva, avrajashma. All those places what adesha pratyayoho will work, and then shtutva will happen. Avrajit, avrajashtam, avrajashuhu, avrajihi, avrajashtam, avrajashta, avrajasham, avrajashva, avrajashma. See, vrajati. Yeah, lat lakara is vrajati, vrajataha, vrajanti ityadi. Simple. Vavraja. Yeah, vavraja, vavraja, vavrajatuhu. because their vriddhi will not happen. Only null nit is there, vriddhi will happen. Therefore, Vavraja, Vavrajatuhu, Vavrajuhu, Vavrajitha, Vavrajatuhu, Vavraja. And Uttama Purusha, Naluttamo Va, optionally Nitva. Therefore, Vavraja or Vavraja, 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 Vavrajiva, Vavrajima. Yeah. Vavraja. Yeah. No, Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam, there will be two forms. There will be two forms. Yeah. So that is lit form. Then Vrajita, Vrajitarau, Vrajitaraha, simple. Lut Lakara, Lrit Lakara, Vrajishyati, etc. Yeah. Lot, Vrajatu, Vrajatat. Vrajatu, Vrajatat also we have to remember. In Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam and Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam, there will be two forms. Why two forms? Yeah. No. Two forms because one is lot, Vidhi lot, another is Ashir lot. Ashir lot. Tushyos tatang ashishyanyatarashyam. Because of that rule, Tushyos tatang ashishyanyatarashyam. If the lot is used in Ashihi, then there will be two forms. If lot is used in any other meaning than Ashihi, then only one form. Yeah. Ashish, if the lot, even just like ling can be used in Ashihi, Ashirvadartha. Similarly, lot also can be used in Ashihi. So, Ashishi ling lotau. Ashishi ling lotau iti. So, if lot is used in Ashihi, Ashishi, then in Prathama Purusha and Madhyama Purusha, Ekavachanam, in the place of tu and he, tatang adesha happens optionally. Therefore, if it is Ashir lot, then two forms. Yeah. If it is non-Ashir lot, what are the non-Ashihi? What all artha are possible? Nimantrana. Yeah. Vidhi nimantrana mantranadhishta samprashna prarthaneshu ling. That is ling. Then where is lot? Lot cha. Yeah. Even lot also is in the same senses. Vidhi, nimantrana, amantrana, adhishta, samprashna and prarthana. These six meanings. Then it will not be Ashir lot. Then only Bhavatu, Vrajatu. Yeah. So all these things we have to keep in mind when we make. So it is like programming. Attending Vyakarana, this Vyakarana is like programming our mind. It is like program. So then it has to come pata 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 pata. Just like computer. So it makes our mind work like artificial, not original intelligence. So, yeah, then next one, where is water? Yeah, Next is vrajatu. Avrajat is lang lakara. Avrajat, avrajatam, avrajan, avrajaha, avrajatam, avrajata, avrajam, avrajava, avrajama iti. Then vrajet, vidhiling lakara. Vrajet, vrajetam, vrajeyuhu. Vrajehe, vrajetam, vrajeta. Vrajeyam, vrajeva, vrajema. Vrajeva, vrajema, not vrajevaha. Because why not vrajevaha? Nityam nitaha. Why so? We should know the sutras. Because of nityam nitaha, it won't become vrajevaha. Vrajeva. So then vrajyat. Vrajyas, vrajyat, vrajyastam, vrajyasuhu ityadi ashirling. So then this one lung lakara avrajit, avrajit, avrajishtam ityadi. Then avrajishyat. Yeah, this is lrang lakara. Lrang lakara. So avrajishyat, avrajishyatam, avrajishyan, avrajishyaha, avrajishyatam, avrajishyata, avrajishyam, avrajishyava, avrajishyama. Then kata dhatu. Kate varshavaranayoho. Before vrajadhatu, if you add pari upasarga or pra upasarga, pari upasarga vrajadhatu and pra upasarga vrajadhatu. What is the meaning? Taking sannyasa. Sannyas leta hai. Parivrajati. Parityajya sarvam vrajati iti. He gives up everything and goes. Parivrajati iti parivrat. So, or pravrajati is also possible. So then kate dhatu. Kate is edit dhatu because ekara is it. So kate varsha varanayoho. What is varsha? The varsha varanayoho. Meaning, there are two meanings given. So if you look into the footnote, varsho vrishtihi avaranam achadanam. Varshaha means vrishti, rain, not year. So vrishtihi, varsha, varshaha, vrishtihi. And avaranam means achadanam, covering. Therefore, kata dhatu is used in the sense of varsha, raining. Katati means it rains. And avranoti ityarthaha. Katati. Achadayati. So, kate varshavaranayoho. What is the swaras? Locate it in dhatu patha. Kate. It is kate. A is anunasika, therefore kate. Varshavaranayoho. Kate varshavaranayoho. So, therefore, since this is anunasika, upadeshe janunasika it, iti ekaraha it, therefore it is edit dhatu. Et, it, yasya. Just like idito dum dhatoh we have seen. It, it. This is et, it. Edit dhatu. So for edit dhatu, of course, in this also we have a sutra for lung. All other things are simple. Only for lung there is a sutra. Hmyanta kshana shvasa jagra nishvyeditam. Kshana shvasa jagra ni shvi editam. Yeah, single word. Only one word sutra. Myanta. Okay, we'll analyze each one. But yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah, अनुवृत्ति सिचि वृद्धि ही वृद्धि ही परस्मैपदेषु इति. Now I will not come. Iti, right? Yeah. Okay. Now will come. Iti, na iti. So, na iti. Vruddhir na bhavati. Yeah. Angasya. Yeah. So, I'll have to remove this. See, hmyanta. Hmyanta. What does it mean? Hakara plus makara plus yakara. Sorry. Hmya. So hmya plus anta. Becomes hmyanta. So hakarascha makarascha yakarascha hmya. Hmya ante yasya saha hmyantaha dhatuh. So a dhatu which ends in hakara, makara or yakara, they are called hmyanta dhatus. Hakara ending dhatus, hakaranta dhatus, or makaranta dhatus or yakaranta dhatus. So there are such dhatus. Some dhatus end with hakara. Some dhatus end with makara. Some dhatus end with yakara also. So for example, graha dhatu. Graha dhatu ends with the hakara. Yeah. Similarly, there is vama dhatu. Vama dhatu, vamana, vamati. It is makaranta dhatu. And there are vyaya dhatu. Yeah, to spend. Aya dhatu, ayagatau dhatu. So these are hmyanta dhatus. Then there is another dhatu, kshana. Kshana is another dhatu. Kshana dhatu. Shwasa, to breathe. Jagra, another dhatu. So kshana, shwasa, jagra. Ni. Ni is not a dhatu. Ni is nicha. So nicha as well as ning, there are two pratyayas. So nyanta dhatu. Ni means nyanta dhatu, a dhatu which ends with the ni pratyaya, nich or ning. So, and shvi is another dhatu. To shvi, uchuna. So uchuna, to bloat up, to become big. In that sense, to what's it called? To become big, swell. Bloat up, swell. Yeah. And then edit dhatu. So these dhatus, so they are put together. So hmyantaha cha, kshana cha, kshanaha cha, shwasaha cha, jagra cha, nihi cha, shvihi cha, edita cha. Hmyanta kshana shvasa jagra nishveditaha tesham. Hmyanta kshana shvasa jagra nishveditam. Shashti bahuvachanam. Shvasa jagra ni shvi editam anganam. Angasya is there in the mula, in the anuvritti. So I will make it anganam to correspond with this shashti bahuvachanam. Anganam. So anganam, vruddhi. Yeah. Vruddhi na. Iti sichi means idadau sichi. Idadau sichi pare. Parasmai padeshu. Yeah. Hmyanta kshana shvasa jagra ni shvi editam anganam vruddhihi na idadau sichi pare parasmai padeshu. So these angas do not get vriddhi when idadi sich follows, which is followed by parasmaipada. So see the book. Hamayantasya क्षणादेहे न्यन्तस्य श्वयतेः एदितश्च वृद्धिः न इडादौ सिचि हमयांतस्य. So hamyanta is there in the moola, in the sutra. He makes it hamayanta. He adds an a for ease in uchcharan, pronunciation. So hamayantasya means hakarantasya, makarantasya, yakarantasya cha kshanadehe. Kshanadehe dhatoho, referring to kshana, shwasa and jagr, these three dhatus. And nyantasya, ni means nyanta. When pratyaya is mentioned, we have to take tadanta. Pratyaya grahane tadanta grahanam bhavati. Then shvayatehe. Shvayatehe is a shvi dhatu. Shvi plus a shtip nirdesha. Shvi plus a shtip will become shvayati. Then shvayatehe. Shashti means shvi dhatoho ityarthaha. Editascha and edit dhatu like kate etc. Vriddhihi na, they do not get vriddhi when idadau parasmaipadi idadau sichi, when idadi sich follows and it is followed by parasmaipada, then they do not get vriddhi. Now, to get a full understanding of this sutra, we have to see another sutra which is coming later. That is, go to page after next page. At the bottom, almost at the bottom, you will find another sutra. Neti. Got it? Yeah. Neti. Yeah. We will see that sutra also. Yeah. 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 Na iti. Yeah. Na is avyaya. Iti is saptami ekavachanam. Number 7. Yeah. Sichi parasmaipadeshu vriddhihi. Then halantasya, vadavraja halantasya, from there halantasya will come. Halantasya angasya. Yeah. So halantasya angasya. हलंतस्य अंगस्य वृद्धिः न इति सिचि इडादौ सिचि परे परस्मैपदेषु Yeah. So, halanta anga. A halanta anga does not get vriddhi when idadi sich follows in Parasmaipada. So that is the meaning of this sutra. So without knowing this sutra, you will not know how the prakriya happens. So idadau sichi, see the book, neti idadau sichi halantasya vruddhirna. Idadau sichi pare, when idadi sich follows halantasya angasya, a halanta anga, vruddhihi na, it does not get vruddhi. So now we have seen how many sutras in this section already? 7 to yeah. See, sichi vruddhif parasmai padeshu, vadavraja halantasya chaha neti himantakshana, these 3 and 7 also, ato halader lagho. So these sutras we have seen. Okay. After seeing this much, now we will go to the lakshya. See, in the Vyakarana context, sutras are called lakshana, and where you are applying the sutra, it is called lakshya. So now you have seen the lakshanas. Now we will see the lakshya, where you are shooting the sutras. It's called lakshya, aim. So what is the dhatu? Kata dhatu plus lung, and in the place of lung tip, kat plus tip itascha, only takara will remain. Then chili and sich, kat plus sakara plus takara. Then it and eat agama by ardhadhatukasya dvaladehe as well as asti sicho prakte. So kat plus is plus eat. So now see, we have to start from here. Kat plus is plus eat. I will write it there. Kat plus is plus eat. Now you have idadi sich, and idadi sich is preceded by kata dhatu, kata anga. So this anga, is it halanta anga? Yes, So it is halanta anga. So we get this sutra, vadavraja halantasya achaha. Vadavraja halantasya achaha. This sutra brings about vruddhi. Vruddhi is supposed to come. But then we have so vruddhi is prapta. There is a possibility. This sutra gives a possibility of vruddhi. Vruddhi hona chahiye, it says. Then we have another sutra, neti. No, but it is there. It is idadi sich. See, vadavraja halantasya doesn't say idadi, just sit. It may be idadi or it may be without it also. Vruddhi supposed to happen, prapta. Then neti says no, if there is it won't come. So neti. So if the haladi sit is, see, neti is not applicable to vada and vraja, any other haladi. So if any haladi is there, then this cannot come. So sorry, if idadi sit is there, then haladi anga, sorry, halanta anga, not haladi, halanta anga cannot get vriddhi. So neti vriddhi is negated. Vriddhi is negated. Nishidhyate. So praptah vadavraja halantasya achaha iti praptah vriddhihi neti iti nishidhyate. So no vriddhi, no. This is the scenario. Now we have another sutra. What? Ato halader laghoho. Can it work? Ato halader laghoho can work. Yeah, this is haladi and there is a laghu akara. So it can get optional vriddhi, right? So ato halader laghoho brings about vriddhi vikalpena. Yeah. So ato halader laghoho vriddhi vaikalpikaha vriddhihi praptaha. Vaikalpikaha means optional. Vriddhihi praptaha. So this is another. Vaikalpika vriddhi is prapta. Then that is negated once again by saying what? Himyanta kshana shvasa jagra nishvedita. Yeah. The vaikalpika vriddhi is negated. Himyanta ityadi. Therefore no vriddhi. Therefore you get only kata plus is plus eat. Then at agama and the here ita iti saka sij lopa and savarna dirgha akatit akatishtam akatishuhu ityadi. No, there are other criteria here. Other things apply. So it's a very complicated thing. Yeah. The vipratishedhe param karyam will not work here. That is its domain is different. So when there is vipratishedha, then only para has to be done. So vipratishedha is tulyabala virodha. Here it is not tulyabala virodha. Here it is utsarga apavada relations. Yeah. See. Yeah. Katati is simple. Chakata. Yeah, chakata, lit lakara. How is it happening? Kata dhatu plus lit. So in the place of lit, tip. Then parasmai padanam nalatusu sthalatusa nalvamaha. Kat plus nal. Then vitva. Vitva will happen. Not abhyasa. Dvitva. Yeah. Doubling. Dvihi. Ekasya dve. So ekacho dve prathamasya. So liti dhator anabhyasasya dve dvitva will happen. It's not called abhyasa. The process is not called abhyasa. What is abhyasa? Purvaha abhyasa. Yeah. So katta plus null. So now abhyasa karya. The first one is abhyasa and abhyasa karya. So haladisheshaha, hraswaha, haladisheshaha. Then ka becomes a cha, kuhoshchuhu. Kuhoshchuhu will work. So therefore it will become cha. Ka becomes a cha. So cha plus kat plus null. Then null is nit. Therefore ata upadhayaha iti vriddhi. Upadha vriddhi will happen. Therefore chakata. Chakatatuhu, chakatuhu, chakatitha, chakatathuhu, chakata, chakata. Two forms in Uttama Purusha because naluttamo va. Chakata, chakata, chakativa, chakatima. These are null forms. Then so lit is over. Chakata, chakatatuhu. Katita, simple. Katishyati, simple. Katatu, akatat, katet, katyat. All those are simple. So then akatit. It cannot become akatit. Suppose myanta kshana shwasa jagra nishveditam was not there. There could have been two forms, akatit or akatit, because of ato halader laghoho. Yeah. So therefore akatit and Lring Lakara is akatishyat, akatishyatam, akatishyan, etc. Simple. So next one is gupu dhatu, gupu rakshane. So we'll see in the next class. Dhrittavasane natarajo nanadadhakkam navapanchavaram uddhartu kamassanakadi siddhan etadvimarshe shiva sutra jalam.